Namaskar, Sujata here for NEWS+VIEWS. Today we are the CBFC Wealth and Summit from Dr. Mickey Mehta, and we have with us Mr. Pete from doTERRA, and he will be telling us a little bit about what these doTERRA products all about and how they are useful. Sir, Mr. doTERRA, will you tell us about this?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we do, we're more than just a product. We educate people on choices in healthcare. So you can choose an allopathic style, but what we do is choose more of a natural approach to wellness. And essential oils play a very large role in natural wellness. And so we treat different health concerns, finding solutions for people, maybe around hormone health, sleep. We also have things around energy, cleaning products for the home. And so really we're looking at finding solutions
what
for
about
people.
this on anti-pollution kit? Does it really work? How it works, sir?
Absolutely. And so this kit here is for when the pollution is high in Mumbai. You can diffuse these in the home or in your car and actually purify the air. So instead of using something toxic inside your home, we're using something which is perfectly pure and which is plant medicine. So these are not just aromas or synthetic, it's plant medicine which is therapeutic. Now, all of these botanicals come from 52 countries around the world.
That's it.
Then sent to America, tested, bottled, and then sent around the world. We've been distilling around about 10 different raw botanicals in India for 12 years. We have 200,000 farmers in India who do all of our work.
So from where? Which area exactly in India?
All around, like we take turmeric from Gujarat, we take lemongrass from around the south of the country, we take cinnamon from the south as well in Sri Lanka. And so wherever the plant grows naturally best, we go there. 52 locations around the world.
So can you tell us about the family essentials?
Yes. So this is really what we call, this is the kit here. It's really what we call the first aid kit. With this kit here, you can look after 80% of your health concerns at home. And our mission is to put a healer in every home. Similar to what our grandmothers used to do. Our grandmothers used to heal us in our homes. Instead of running to the pharmacy for something allopathic, this kit here can treat all sorts of things. Oregano, for example, everybody knows oregano, but this is nature's antibiotic. We don't need to be taking something synthetic. We can actually use this to reset our gut. We can actually use this to move any viruses inside our body. So this kit here is really what we call the family essentials kit. And it's really the kit that will look after 80% of your health concerns for sleep, internal detoxing, for digestive issues. This oil here is incredible for any kind of stomach upsets, motion sickness, and it's very familiar to Indians as well. There's cardamom, there's cinnamon inside, peppermint inside, and the difference with this company, perfectly pure. There's no adulteration with these oils.
So we have with us Mr. Pete, and he told us so many things about doTERRA products. It is anti-pollution kit, it is family essentials.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir.
My pleasure.
Yeah.